Speak about the protests intensifying. Remember, these are pan-India protests. To tell us what's happening on ground zero, all our reporters are joining us from various cities. In fact, Neha Hebale from Bengaluru, Nikhil Rakwani from the national capital, Shreya Mondal from Kolkata, and Shrishti Atkare from Mumbai. Let me first begin with you, Neha. For the past couple of days, you have been on ground zero, also talking to these doctors about the fact that how enraged they are. Because like we've said, these are healthcare workers at the end of the day who we entrust when we have any sort of an issue. And today, they find themselves in a situation to be looking at this gruesome incident, which is completely unfortunate that this is what we've come to be raising the basic necessity about safety at workplaces, Neha.
Well, that's absolutely right, Nivedana. Of course, at the Nimhans Hospital too in Bengaluru, we're of course seeing the manner in which the doctors have been on strike over here. Remember, of course, they've gone on to boycott their OPD services as well over here, demanding a very basic right, which is safety of doctors on duty. Of course, this right now are visuals over here from the OPD, where, of course, the doctors, in fact, have gone on strike. It's only the senior doctors now who are attending to, in fact, the patients over here. You can, of course, see that while this is only the crowd that's actually spilling over outside the OPD, inside as well, there are massive queues of patients there waiting to be treated. While the doctors have apologized to all of their patients that this is how they're having to actually ask for their demands, we'll, of course, really have to wait and see, Nivedana, because, this is, of course, just one part of the OPD. You can see the manner in which patients, of course, all around the hospital over here, just waiting that, doctors would, of course, come and attend to them. At the end of the day, of course, what really remains to be seen over here is whether or not the government right now would be giving in to the demands of these doctors, because one thing that they've made quite clear is that until such time that they are not given basic rights like safety while they're on duty, that they are not going to be going back to their services.
Right. Right, Neha. In fact, as you draw things into perspective, you did mention as to how many of them had to apologize and they did feel like it was inconvenient to their patients. But I